Hi, Adam here with Inspired LED. Today I will be demonstrating the proper way to install our new Lindrive Phase Cut Dimmable Transformer from Magnitude. This new driver is not only compatible with a variety of dimmers, but also offers a low-profile plastic enclosure, making installation easier than it's ever been. Before we get started, there are a few things you need to be made aware of. The first and most important thing to note is that due to the use of high voltage, we strongly recommend having a qualified electrician install the driver for you. The transformer must also always be installed in a well-ventilated area, free from any explosive gases or vapors, and never installed inside of drywall. You will also need to make sure that you are using a compatible wall dimmer switch with this transformer. You can visit our website for a complete list of recommended dimmers. Alright, so because you are working with 120 volts of electricity, your first step will be to turn off the power. Now let's take a look at the Romax cable coming from inside the wall. There will be 3 wires inside the cable sleeve. The black wire will be your live wire, the copper will act as your ground wire, and the white will be your neutral. Your dimmer will also have a series of wires attached to it. A ground wire, a live wire, a load wire, and possibly a 3-way wire. Note that the colors of the wires may differ based on the model of the switch you choose. For this demonstration, we will not be using the 3-way wire. The first step to terminating our transformer is connecting the Romax to the dimmer using wire nuts. You will wire nut both your live wires together, in this case black to black, and then wire nut your ground wires together, in this case copper to green. This will leave you with your neutral white wire on your Romax and your red load wire on your dimmer switch. You will now remove your input wiring cover from your transformer by loosening the screws and lifting up. This will reveal your input screw terminal marked with an L for live and N for neutral. I will start by terminating our live wire first. Loosen the screw above the wire terminal marked with an L. Then simply insert your live wire and tighten the screw. You will repeat this step for your neutral wire coming directly from your Romax cable. Loosen the screw, insert the wire, and tighten the screw. Now that your high voltage side is connected, you will remove the output wiring cover on the adjacent end. You will find another green screw terminal similar to the one on the input side, except this one will be marked with a positive and a negative symbol. Now it's just as simple as matching the polarity from your low voltage LED wires to the screw terminals, just as you did with the input side. Now that everything is terminated, double check that all polarities match before turning your power back on. Test both the functionality of the LEDs as well as the dimmer. If everything is working properly, you can reconnect your wire covers, feeding your wires through the small cutouts on each side. Now you can go ahead and mount your transformer using the small corner holes on either side. Just remember to keep the transformer in a well-ventilated area. The entire process is relatively simple, but of course we are always here if you have any additional questions. You can contact us at orders@inspiredled.com or give us a call at 480-941-4286.